Hey y'all, welcome to the Bonnie B channel where you get a dope virtual experience. And today's topic is going to be about candles. So it's getting to the holiday season, you know, gifting and all that. So I thought it would be a good idea to start doing candle reviews. Plus, I did a poll and I just wanted to see, like, do people burn candles only on occasions, or if they burn candles daily or whatever. And 100% said that they burn candles every day, all day. So I thought it would be a good idea to tap into a small business in my city and buy some candles and get a little review. So if you're interested in seeing these candles and getting my view on them, stay tuned. So the candles come in this type of box. And then it's wrapped up like this. And the first candle is So Fresh, So Clean 100% Soy Wax Blend. And this is a 6-ounce jar. Who is interrupting? No. So Fresh, So Clean scent smells really good. It smells like fresh linen, light and clean, you know, like a clean house. Like, it just smells really good. It smells exactly what the title says, so fresh and so clean. So I definitely would get this one, and I like this one. All right, guys, now let's get into the next scent. So the next scent is Tiki 100% Soy Wax Blend. Ooh. So this one smells good.
I fucking hate is when a girl be fretting, son.
This one actually smells like cologne slash some type of wood. It's pretty strong for me. So scents give me a headache. So this one would be pretty strong for me. I like the more like fruity, light scents, lavenders, linen. This is not a nice scent. It's just not a scent that I personally would like. So let's move on. But yeah, like, I love burning candles overall. Like, I love setting the mood. I love cleaning the whole house and everything, and then just putting your candles out. I love taking a bath and putting candles out. Sitting outside with candles. So this one is called Baked. And again, this is Sacred Scents, okay? So this one is Baked. Okay. This one smells like holiday-ish. Smells like someone's cooking. I like this one. I like this one. Yep. This is a good one. And I don't know, for some reason I thought 6 ounces would be kind of tiny, but this is a good size. Like, this is a really good size. Like, I really can't wait to burn these. Alright, and this one is, now I did handpick the flavors. I just didn't open or smell any of them yet. So this is Berry Nella. And I really, really wanted to smell this one because I like the berry scents. I like the berry scents. I like the cinnamon scents, you know, cherry. I do like stuff like that. So this one was like a biggie. Okay, guys. This one smells so good. So, you know, why not just light it, right? Like, we might as well just light it right now. And, you know, I wanted to get like a super fancy lighter, but
I'm so ratchet.
I was not going to Family Dollar after work today, so we can't be so fancy today. But this, I like this one. So this is Berry Nella. So right now this is top number 1. I'm gonna just put that next to my little waterfall. And did I go through all of them? So Berry Nella, Baked, Taki, and So Fresh, So Clean. So my favorites would be Berry Nella and So Fresh, So Clean. These were more fruity scent and a light scent. So I pretty much like those the most. And then Baked and Taki are okay. They're good scents. They're just not my type of scent. So this one smelled more like a cologne or like wood, but like that strong wood flavor. And then Baked smelled really good too, but it's stronger than the other two that I like. So I really like these. I also got a little thank you card. Isn't this so nice? And the thank you card says, thank you for your purchase and support. Hope you enjoy. Free Cinnabay wax melts included. So I did say I like cinnamon, right? So they read my mind. So that's always a plus. And I think that like thank you cards are really good for like when you purchase something for the first time. It just makes it more like personable or whatever. So I like that. But then I think too, like, what if you made a purchase like 5 times? Then what do you get? Do y'all think that you should get something if you made a purchase with the same company like 5 times? What are your thoughts on that? So these are the melts. Ain't they so cute? I like them. And this smells good too. So this smells similar to Baked to me. But I do like this. I really do like this. So I would definitely burn this in like my dining room or my kitchen or something. This is really good too when you have this scent is really good for holiday parties. Like I feel like I burn different scents for different occasions. So like burning candles is my thing all the time, but like burning certain scents for certain occasions is really, really nice. So yeah, like check them out. I will put their information in the description box. I will be doing more candle reviews. These candles were a really decent price. So for this size, they were $6.99 each. The shipping was very fast, so that was great. I got my stuff right away. And yeah, support small businesses. It's very important to support small businesses. It's very important to support small YouTube channels. You know, we should be out here supporting our own and supporting each other and just giving everybody some love. You know, that's what all this is about. And I'm giving this to you, and I purchased this with my own money. This is not sponsored, and I want to give back to my own community. So that's why I brought these items. Thank you for tuning in, and please subscribe, like, comment, and if you have any suggestions on any reviews that you would like me to do, please feel free to send me a message. All right, bye.